Good morning, Stormwood Guildmates. It's about 7 o'clock. We're here outside the mechanic waiting for him to open so I can drop this hunk of junk off. Which you probably see on some of the videos. This hunk of junk's my car. It's already been paid for. Thank God. And no, I didn't have any co-shares or anything like that. I legitimately bought and paid for it. And don't you dare hit me, I swear to God. I'm not in the mood. This car already had enough dents. You make a dent, you pay for all the dents. Anyways, so the raid last night was very fruitful. And what I mean by that, I got both artifact relics on the Unholy Death Knight. I got a cape. I wish I could have got some other gear to help boost up the item level just a little bit. But I am very content with it. I have to complete the quest to kind of get those new talent choices unlocked. But the thing is, this dungeon has no legendaries. None. No legendaries yet. Hopefully we'll get some soon. Crafted gear. Definitely not near like Warlock. So, one of those things we're gonna have to work on is probably get the Death Knight close to the Warlock level. Which will be tricky and hard. But not impossible. So, anyways, we're waiting for mechanic. Summer raid. It was very smooth. Snug died on bridge at one point, and we had to wait for the second part of the bridge to collapse so I could actually battle res him. I died only twice and did not have a disconnect, so that's a positive thing. We also had some new guildmates added to the group, so hey, welcome. I'm Gum. I'm the journalist who pretty much discovered and found out with somewhat evident proof that Trump's a werewolf. Well, that's the previous video, so you'll see that really quickly. So yeah, I'm the Gum guy. The reason why I can't talk very loud is because it's almost midnight and my folks are already asleep. And trust me, the last thing I want to do is have my old man wake up to me talking about gaming stuff. That's the last thing I can afford to do. I might get kicked out because of that. I'm not going to get around for that. Although, I can't listen, so it's not like a total loss. It's just I can't talk very loud on it. Not to mention when I get close to tired, my voice gives out, regardless physical exhaustion or mental exhaustion. Still waiting for them to open those dang on doors. We might be here till 8 o'clock, so we might have an hour. Anyways, what was those delayed for obvious reasons? Raid was awesome because I had a really busted on Death Knight getting the item level I get close to. The biggest problem is I really am not a fan of the artifact system. You only get up to 4 million times the artifact level you would normally receive. What the hell? You realize if you have 50 times 500 million, that's a shit ton of artifact power that you need to get. And I'm not talking about the Death Knight, I'm talking about the Warlock on Affliction, the first spec I picked to work on. Back when everyone's trying to figure out what the hell to do with these artifact weapons. Yeah. We don't want to talk about the artifact weapons. I mean, trust me, a lot of people put work into those damn things. I mean, honestly, Blizzard just needs to implement a, quote, have them added to the passives, If they make a new expansion without the artifact weapons, which I hope they do, all the stuff we got from our artifact weapons or would have gotten or whatever, besides that Legion Fall talent, which is the very last one, and I mean the last one, then I can live with that. Or do some kind of, I don't know. I think that might be the best way to do it, is just make it all like a passive for them, because and make it like 101, you get it. Don't make it like 110 and have to go through all the Legion stuff. Maybe their Legion might be the last expansion. We're not going to get any new weapons, which personally is like, wow, it's a missed opportunity. We could have had some really cool artwork. I mean, granted, they have to be transmoggable. That's a rule. They have to be transmoggable after the expansion. That way people can use Ashbringer or something. Just don't upgrade to where it be like over 900 1,000 on freaking Doomhammer. God. Do you have any idea how many artifact powers we're going to need for that? I need to rework it to where it can be done reasonably. Well, I mean by reasonably, I mean stupidly. I'm talking like finish in 3 days most. Not spending 3 weeks trying to get the research for it. It took me almost a month to get those research things. So anyways, Raid was good. By the way, Death Knight's an alternate. Warlock's the main. But the main is already tomb ready. Only thing is a couple of gem slockets and that's it. And that'll be pretty much the best I can be. Besides potions and stuff. But whatever. I'm trying to work on the Death Knight a little bit more. The Shaman, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him. I mean, Shamans are not exactly the Elemental Shaman, which is the damage spec that I figured I would be doing, unfortunately got a massive underhaul. Not overhaul, underhaul. Anyways, the car's going to the mechanic. Who knows how long it's going to take. Hopefully not too long. I'll see you probably later this evening. If not, probably tomorrow night or somewhere in the evening. That's all I can say. Thanks. Keep subscribing. Don't forget, spread the word. By the way, the whole Trump werewolf thing was a cringe thing. It was a kind of a dare thing. Just to see, just to see how people react to it. So don't take that type of stuff seriously. Trust me, you'll know the voices I do and know when I'm serious and when I'm not serious. Basically, if it sounds like BS, chances are it is BS. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and have a nice day. And I'll see you in the other world of Warcraft. Well, for those who don't play, I'll probably see you in Smash or something. I don't know. Whatever, gotta go. Bye.